In this video, we will be talking about odd and even numbers. So in this problem, it says, is 9 even or odd? So the way to understand this is to remember the rule that even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. And then odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So you just need to remember that. Then if you take a look at the number line, let's highlight all the odd numbers in blue. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So all the ones that end in those numbers are odd. So let's do the even ones now. On the number line, let's underline them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So these are all the ones that end in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You just need to rewind the video and watch it again, maybe a couple times, and then it'll make sense.